Hi, hello, namaste. This is Lavanya. Today I am going to tell about alphabets and their sounds. First, what is phonics? Phonics means using letter sounds to help child to read words. In phonics, there are three aspects to every letter: picture, name, and sound. Here, sound, how we decode words. Every letter makes a sound. Start teaching children to see a letter and then say the sound it represents. Let's start alphabets and their sounds. A, B, 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 C, K, K, D, 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 E, A, F, G, 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 H, 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 I, E, J, 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 K, 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 L, L, M, N, 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 O, P, 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 Q, 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 R, R, S, S, T, 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 U, V, W, W, X, Y, Z, Z. These are the 26 sounds of alphabets. Once they know phonic sounds, child can easily blend individual sounds together to say whole word like at, as, cat, dog. Thank you for watching.